One I beg you with the jabata. Me, I know get time, I did that bada. That cover my face, calling me that bada. Biggie man, we don't be where I bada. What's it go? Chihuahua, all depend. They catch it, ride the foot. I know feet, die for nothing. What's it go? Chihuahua, all depend.
So guys, there we have it, our fakeaway. These are not bad. Let us taste this wrap. Wow. This tastes really, really good. It basically literally 1000% tastes like the KFC sweet chili twister, which was like my favorite meal, just with the zinger thingies on the inside. So I will give this an 8 out of 10. It tastes really good. It just needs some spice. So I'm gonna do something really quickly and then we're gonna taste it together, okay? I'm obsessed with the chili sauce. This one is just too good. I'm pouring with my left hand now. I hope I don't pour too much. I think that's enough. Okay. With that sauce, it definitely tastes like a zinger sweet chili wrap. Though I think I put too much sweet chili in because it tastes exactly like what I wanted to taste, and with the hot sauce I'll give it a 9 out of 10. It's actually so good. I'm only missing the fries and I finished the drink already, but yeah. Oh, and then my sweet chili, I don't know if I mentioned, I think that the ratios I think that the ratios of sugar and water should not be equal. Honestly, this is just too sweet for me, so I would rather have it a little bit more spicy than sweet. Sorry, my memory card got full there, but what I was saying was that, what was I saying? Oh, that the sweet chilies ratios are way off for my personal taste, so I would rather do half a cup of sugar to 1 cup of water, you know, instead of a cup of sugar to a cup of water, which is essentially what I did. But yeah guys, it hit the spot. Okay, it definitely hit the spot. I didn't even take a photo, but yeah. Anyway guys, excuse me for talking with my mouth full, but so sweeties, thank you so much for getting to the end of this video. I love you sweeties so much. If you're not a sweetie yet, kindly click that subscribe button. It's 100% free. Now I'll see you sweeties in my next video. Mwah. Don't forget to like and leave a cute comment. See ya.